Hi there. In this video we are going to be installing these two light fixtures, this one in this dressing and this one at the entrance of the house. Both of them obviously have a movement sensor. It's quite obvious for the one at the entrance of the house. I want to let it turn on by itself always. And this one in the dressing, in case you forget to turn off the light, I have no other way of knowing if the light is on or not, apart from obviously opening the door. So it will turn off by itself if you forget it. It's, yeah, win-win in the end. It was not planned to use it in here, but if I have it, I will use it. So yeah, in theory 3 years warranty, only that one. It's not a sticker. This one doesn't have it. That's weird. This one is a cool blue, which I don't like. So the color temperature is quite high. This one is more to the yellow side, which is perfect for the inside. For the outside, I really don't care that much. And let's see how many lux this thing should be able to produce. 1600, so about the same as a 100 watt incandescent bulb. And the detection area maximum 6 meters. So yeah, it detects obviously all around and at a 120 degree angle like this, which is good. You can adjust it from 10 seconds to 180 seconds for how much it will work and when it will turn on. Only at night or even during the day if you need it. And yeah, no, not really too much protection. Luckily it's fully protected when I'm installing it, because itself it's not protected about at all. Let's see for the other one. A bit less light. It can produce 1100 lumens. The rest of it it's exactly the same. And yeah, they are quite inefficient in terms of LED lights, but they were cheap, so at least they have that going for them, which is nice. Same things written on the label. Anyway, let's install this thing first and see how it goes. We have this, which I will not use because I'm installing on through drywall, so I need to use those. The light itself, metal. Honestly, from the looks of it, it looked like really cheap plastic, but now that I have it separately in my hand, it's actually not bad. If you want to see the info once again. So yeah, we need 3 screws to hold it in place. There we will enter with our wires. And I presumably this is how you open this thing up. Yes, it seems it is. This they could have made a bit better. I think this makes it quite cheap looking. Without it, with something nicer in here, it would look better. Maybe even a bit of chrome, if you like. But the fact that these two have a different color, this also has a different color, makes it look a bit cheap. But this feels quite strong in the hand, so the construction seems good up until now. This just a plastic diffuser. And the LEDs quite well spaced. Lots of copper in here under the white paint, so, and it's onto metal, so the dissipation should be quite good. And honestly, this is looking quite well made. I don't have any issues with it. I saw some comments by some people saying that this failed really quickly and it's bad, it's cheap, I don't really see any difference from other products, and I have used cheap light fixtures. I will link them in the description. Now those are cheap. This doesn't look cheaply made. And from this you can adjust and they are even textured. They have lines, grooves on them, so you can adjust by hand, not only with a screwdriver. For me, that's perfectly acceptable. So let me mark this and put it on the ceiling, and obviously pass my wires through this thing. So let's get to it. And it's in position, and obviously one of these things hit directly into metal or wood, so I needed to change it. Others went in perfectly. Crimped this for a bit of added protection, and I will just put them obviously in here. Oh, they are too long. I need to cut the tip out of them. Just that you can see there the wire, I will cut it, and then tighten the screw, and that should be about it. Just a heads up, screws from the factory come fully tightened. I don't know why, but you need to undo them first and put this under that, or is it the type that actually connects them while you are undoing them? I don't think so, that doesn't make sense. I will undo them and then plug this in and then tighten them. Wires are tight. Let's put the cover, tighten it, and then power it on. Okay, let's power this thing on for the first time. And it's on. And the first time you turn it on, it will actually take a few seconds for it to start working. Probably it calibrates the sensor or does some internal stuff. And the light, honestly, it's perfect. It's really good. So yeah, that's about it for this one. Let's go to the other. For the second one, obviously exactly the same procedure, so I will get back to you once it's installed, just with a power on test. And yes, you obviously adjust the light and the time according to your needs. I will do that later in time. This is the inside for the bigger one. Same but different. As you can see, I think it has some automatic connections in here. So let's connect, and this is a bit bigger. Let's connect it. Okay, looking good. I will just close it up now. And yes, I don't have ground for both of these things because I only have 2 wires. Just wanted to let you know this has a different type of adjustment for time and exterior light. And this one is also on, and everything seems perfectly fine. As you can see, it's also working in the daylight if you set it like that. So ask me in the comments how these things work over months, years, and I will do my best to reply. That's about for this video. That's about it. They seemed quite okay for the moment, but no more that I could say. I would buy them again. That's it for the moment. Hope this video helps you. In which case, please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.